Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to leave a mini review about this course and about Miss Gulnaz. So next started. When I first came to this course, I didn't know anything in English at all. But thanks to her, now I understand a lot of things and I can speak. I can watch American TV shows, American movies, American cartoons in English. And with the last hope, I came here. Miss Gulnaz helped to me, and Miss Gulnaz told me English from other side, she can discover my love for these languages. For 3-4 months, she helped to me. That's all, guys. I invite you, and I can guarantee for you. That's all. Bye bye, guys.